What's up everyone? Welcome back to another tooltip video. In today's video, I will show you how you can let users start on different pages. This can also be used for A/B testing. Let's jump right in. So head on over to one of your projects, and on the top right corner of the editor, you will see hidden fields. You will need to click on that. Then you will have to click on Add Hidden Field, and under Functional Fields, select Start with Page. You will need to enable this feature to be able to let your participants start on different pages. Then just click on Save and Close. If you're using this for A/B testing, I would recommend duplicating the first page by hovering over the first page and then clicking on this duplicate icon. And now you have two pages. So I will name the first one version A, and the second page version B. And what I would want to test for this A/B test is if the background image makes a difference. So I'm just going to change my background image to something different than the first page. If you are using this for A/B testing, make sure that the first page does not lead to the second page, because that is the second version of your project. You will need to use logic jumps to make sure that they skip the second page and continue on with the quiz as usual. So I will just click on the button, and then underneath link, I will select logic jumps, and then I will jump to page number 3. And then you will need to publish your project. Once you get your project URL, all you will need to do is copy that and then add the hidden fields URL you copied earlier at the end of your URL. Then just copy the URL into your notes, for example, and add a dash, and then copy the hidden field URL at the end of this URL. And then where it says input, just type in 1. That indicates that the project will be started on page number 1. Then just copy this URL. And then for the second URL, just type in A2 at the end. This will indicate that the project will start on page number 2. So if you're using this for A/B testing, you can share the first link with one half of your users, and you can share the second link with the other half. And that will ensure that half of your users are starting on page number 1 and the other half are starting on page number 2. And then to test it, you can simply copy each URL into the tab and see if the first one starts on the first page and the second one starts on the second page. Hidden Fields is only available on the professional plans though. It's also good to A/B test on the same project rather than just duplicate this project and try a different design, because the analytics will be in the same project and not separate. So that is how you can let your users start on different pages. If you want to get 2 months for free on any of the paid plans, then go check out our discount code, which is linked in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye!